Hi guys, this is Lakshmi with Data Clarity, and today we're going to talk about how to view Power BI reports inside of Microsoft Teams. So, if you use both Power BI as well as Microsoft Teams at work, the chances are that you are having discussions with your colleagues on Teams about specific Power BI reports and the data in these reports. So, wouldn't it be great if you could simply have that report that you're talking about pinned inside Microsoft Teams so everybody knows exactly what report is being discussed and there's no need to pass around report links. So let's get started with how you do that. So the first important thing to make this work are the prerequisites. So if you want to add a Power BI report into Teams, you should have a viewer, at least a viewer role in the workspace that hosts the report. And right now, you can't add a Power BI dashboard to Teams. You can only add reports. I hope Microsoft will change this very soon. And then if you want to view a Power BI report that's already been pinned into Teams, you should have a Power BI Pro account or your workspace should be backed by Power BI Premium capacity. So let's get started. Let me show you how you can pin a Power BI report into Microsoft Teams. So here we have Microsoft Teams. This is the usual Teams window. So you see this plus sign here. We are going to add a tab. What this does is it brings up all the different apps and you can search. You can search for Power BI. And since I'm signed as Lakshmi at twinshoresconsulting.com, it's going to show me all of my workspaces. So I'm going to go to my workspace. It lists all the reports in that workspace. I select one, I say save. And there you have it. That report is available in the workspace for anybody else who wants to view it. And of late, Microsoft has also added another way for you to launch Teams from within Power BI Online. So you can open Teams from here and collaborate on Power BI reports that way as well. So I hope you enjoyed this little tip and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Bye.